How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to do another video on the same day. So this is my Max City. Go and check my show, like showing my cycle. Here I fixed a Pokemon card, okay, right here with just some tape. It won't damage your cycle, but this sound is going to be produced, and I'm going to tell you how. The card, as the wheel rotates, the wheel hits the card, making sound. So I will demonstrate that, like that, louder when you ride. So say hi, Jana.
Hello, guys.
So she's going to shoot. That was awesome. Now Diana is going to ride and I'm going to shoot. Diana, take a U-turn there. Come. No, you're try. Okay, there. Will you? Yeah. You can do this pretty much on all cycles except the covered ones. Maybe you can do it on all cycles until you have like different frame or something, because I don't know about other cycles. Okay. Take a U-turn. U-turn. Okay. Go fast. Sorry for the shake video. Go fast. Yeah. Done. So that's pretty simple. Now what you need is a playing card. I used a Pokemon card here. So if you want it quieter, you can just cut the cards like this, and it will be of course quieter. But if you want louder, you might want to get some strong cards, pretty strong. Now this is not as strong, not because it's like that. Mostly it's actually not strong. So you want to get this very strong card. The kind of cardboard is better, but it might damage your cycle. And here she comes. But yeah, it's alright. And use whatever you want, loud or quiet. Okay, stop. And that's the tutorial plus how to make noise like a motorcycle. Not sure what motorcycle it actually sounds like, but sounds awesome. Now me and my friend, we're talking about that we don't need the bell now, right? And as always, bye bye.